So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Root Mobile share. So we know that this particular stock since 2 days it has been in full momentum. So yesterday itself it has given 20% upper circuit was seen in the stock, and today also the same momentum is still continuing, and currently it's almost trading near the 880 rupees level. So people who have got the allotment of the share already have discussed in my previous videos before one day of listing that definitely you can take the listing gains, and rest of all you can hold for the long term, because company wise the valuation, if we compare the PE, we can see it is very less as compared to its peer competitors. So that is what we have discussed, and also the Goldman Sachs additional stake which it has taken also is boosting the share price. So what to do, whether to hold this particular stock for long term or any sort of fresh investment, so we'll discuss everything. So watch the video till the end. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we know that almost the Goldman Sachs, which was already having the stake in the Root Mobile, so we know that it has taken almost, we can see 8 lakh shares were taken by Goldman Sachs on the listing day at the price of almost 705 rupees they have first taken. So again they have hiked the stake. It implies that they have taken additional stake. So you can see how much amount of shares, additional 3.9 lakh shares have been taken by Goldman Sachs, so increasing ultimately the stake to 5.23%. So this particular stake is also not less stake, it's a very good stake. So if we compare the market cap itself of the company and if we compare the stake, so they're having a very good strong backup of the best investment firm of United States of America. So if you don't know about Goldman Sachs, so directly you can Google it, so you'll get entire information about that. So it's the best firm regarding the investment banking. So that's why even the stock has shown good momentum. So we'll discuss the various bulk deals that happened in the company. So apart from Goldman Sachs, so which other companies have taken the stake or they have done the trading, and also we'll do the volume analysis and we'll try to find out the next level, since technicals will not be available since it is recently listed. So we'll basically see at which levels it can move or at levels where we can do fresh investment. Okay. So when we see the market cap of the company, so clearly you can see the market cap is almost around 5021 crores, and if you see industry PE is 24.15. so currently the PE is not updated for it. And the important thing we can see here, the deliverable quantity, which is almost 7.70. so deliverable quantities is completely less. Yes, it implies that obviously the deliverable quantity will be less, because the almost each and every individual, they were waiting for the listing gain, so nobody will add at that particular levels. So mainly the big investment firms only will add, so mainly that delivery percentage also mainly is because of them only. So nothing much to panic. So people who are holding from the we can say listing price itself, for them it is a bumper listing. Almost 130 to 140 plus returns were given by this company in a very short period of time. So when we see the overall volume analysis, so completely 3 days have been completed. So if you see on September 21st when it was listed, so we know that almost it has touched the 730 rupees, from where it has started continuously dropping, and it has almost gone to 620 rupees also, from where it has started retracing after the Goldman Sachs investment news has come out. So from there it has started moving up. So ultimately the 36% delivery almost reduced to 14% on September 22. Then also it has given a positive 6.64 movement on finally on September 23rd, when Goldman Sachs has announced the additional buying of stake. So the stock almost went 19 to 20%. Okay, so currently today also it is in full swing. So deliveries are worth watchable, and if you're trying to invest at this particular levels, you need to be little cautious, because already it has jumped so much. So little bit of correction will also happen, because at any point of time the operators also implies, not operators like promoters or anyone, they may try to book the profit also. So that time the stock may dip a little bit, so you need to be little cautious if you're doing the fresh investment, and people are holding at low levels, so definitely they can hold, because if you want to exit partially also, you can do partial profit booking. As I suggested in earlier videos also, don't book entire profits. So since the valuation wise, the PE wise, the company is decent, and also the cloud based company and the future is also very good, so definitely you can hold for long term. So many people were aware of only Goldman Sachs. So regarding the bulk deals that happen in the company, so there are some more companies that you need to know. So we'll discuss them so that we'll have a confidence that people are invested at low levels. So it will give them a hope to hold for the long term. So you can see what are the companies. So first one is the Elixir Wealth Management. So it has bought at 674 and again it has sold at 678. So quick trade was seen in this particular company. And second is the main one, that is Goldman Sachs India Fund Limited. After that we can see GSFDS global markets, they have also taken. So next important one is the Kuwait Investment Authority, so which has also bought near the 697.25 rupees level, and they have not sold anything, so still they are holding their particular stake. And next one is Millennium Stock Broking Private Limited. So it has also bought almost 2 times and it has sold 1 time, so still they are also having the stake. And last and final one is again the Goldman Sachs, which has taken the additional stake. So these are the various bulk deals that happen in the company, so that has kept the stock in full momentum without any downfall. So without any correction was not seen yet in the stock, so it may happen at any point of time. So huge run up is seen in the stock after the listing gains. Also generally when we see Happiest Minds also, even though in that particular company also investments were seen, but the stock has remained in a consolidation phase and also negative momentum was seen. So even today, even when the market is down, this particular stock is again showing the momentum. It implies that traded quantity is very huge, so huge pumping is happening. So at any point of time the profit booking may also happen heavily, so you need to be little cautious if you're doing any fresh investment. So personally don't add anything right now. So if you have added at 600 or 700 levels, then only you can hold. Okay, and people who are holding from the listing day itself, definitely you can partially book your profit. So there are huge profits you are getting, so don't miss out them. So definitely you can book your profits, and rest of all you can hold for the long term. So that will be the best strategy. So currently there are no technicals to discuss, so majorly focus on the 700 800 rupees level, 750 and 800 rupees level if you want to do any sort of fresh investment. Okay, so this is all about Route Mobiles. If you not watched the previous video regarding the financials, so definitely watch the video and also join the Telegram group so as to not miss any instant updates. So until then, take care, bye bye.